Hello children, welcome back to your online class. In my last video, I was teaching language to the students of standard 7. The chapter was article, that was lesson 14, and I told you about the usage. When do we use a, an and the three articles? Okay, a, an was known as indefinite articles and the was definite articles. So when do we use? I had already explained in my previous video. Now in this video I'll tell you about the repetition of the. Okay, when in a sentence, repetition of the, like when we refer to two different people in a sentence, two different people, like the singer and the dancer has arrived. So in a particular sentence we are talking about two different persons, the singer and the dancer, two different person here they are. If I say suppose the singer and dancer, that means that one person is singer also and dancer also. So here it will be used twice when we refer to two different people in a sentence. Then in some double comparisons, when we use double comparison in a sentence, like the sooner you learn, the better for you. So here the will be used twice. It will be repeated in a sentence. Now next comes omission of the. So where we omit the, we don't use the. Okay, so if you remember all this, it will be easier for you where you will use the, okay, and where you will not use. Now omission of the, we omit the, we don't write the before proper, material, abstract nouns and nouns representing general categories. We don't use the before proper nouns like name of any. We never say the Ram, okay, or the Mohan. Okay, we say the name itself. Then material, like suppose the wood, the gold, we don't say, only wood or gold. Abstract nouns also, the qualities, okay, like bravery, we don't use the. And then nouns representing general categories, like dogs are faithful animals, we don't say the dogs are faithful. This represents general category, okay, this is about dogs. So the is omitted. Now next comes before plural nouns, when we refer to a category of nouns, like oranges are rich in vitamin C. So before oranges we omit the is not used, because here we are referring to a category, to a particular category. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, okay. Then this is important, we omit the, we don't use the before days of the weeks and dates. Okay, Sunday, Monday, we never use the before it, or dates. Okay, 25th August, we don't use the. So the is omitted. Then before names of seasons, like summer, winter, okay, we don't use the is omitted. Then before languages, like Hindi, English, before that we don't use the. Subject like mathematics, physics, we don't use the. Games, any games, Ludo, Carom, we don't use, okay, any the before it. Then countries, name of countries like India, we don't use the. States like Orissa, regions and cities, so we don't use the is omitted. Then before titles indicating profession, we don't use the before titles that indicates profession, like Dr. Sen is my friend. So Mr. Sen here, Sen is a doctor, so this is his profession. So Dr. Sen, when we write, we don't use the before it again. So in these all cases the is totally omitted. So I hope you all understood the correct usage of articles, and better try not to make any mistake in the usage of a, an and the. So that was all about this chapter. So till then, goodbye. Thank you to all of you.